Reduce your risk of sharps injuries with Disarm-It-All, the only sharps counting box that removes traditional scalpel blades, beaver blades, and syringe needles. Disarm-It-All can also serve as a safe resting place for syringes in between uses. Sharps injuries occur frequently in the surgical setting, most often when passing instruments. These injuries expose healthcare workers to unnecessary risk and are costly to treat. Use of the Disarm-It-All helps meet the OSHA bloodborne pathogen standard and the AORN guidelines for sharp safety. To get started, slide the tab to the open position and open the box. If desired, remove the adhesive tabs and adhere the box to the Mayo stand or back table. To remove a traditional scalpel blade, use the blade remover image on the right side of the box as a guide when inserting the scalpel blade. Ensure the sharp edge of the blade is facing toward the inside wall of the box. Insert the blade through the opening. Ensure the tip of the blade is under the snap guard. Press the blade downward against the bottom of the box, placing pressure on the scalpel handle until the blade begins to bend slightly. While still pressing down, pull back quickly on the scalpel handle. Once removed, the blade will remain in the box. To remove a beaver blade, insert the blade into the middle slot of the right box. Using a quick motion, loosen the blade by twisting the beaver handle to the left. Pull the handle away from the Disarm-It-All, ensuring the blade remains in the slot. Use the handle to advance the blade forward onto the magnetized surface. To remove the needle from a syringe, place the syringe needle hub in one of the larger slots. Press the hub to the bottom of the slot to engage. Then twist the syringe to the left to loosen the needle. Pull back to remove the syringe barrel. To rest an uncapped syringe, place the needle hub of the syringe in one of the larger slots. Numbered boxes are provided to count needles. Disarm-It-All is available in foam and magnet combinations. The box can be separated into two pieces and features adhesive on the bottom. Disarm-It-All is the only scalpel blade disarmer that safely removes traditional scalpel blades, beaver blades, and syringe needles. For more information or to place an order, contact our customer service team at 866-764-3327.